Hi, my name is Lyndsey Caban. I'm the Senior Buyer of Construction and Contracts, and with me here today I have Gary Annenson with Core Construction, and here we are at DeWitt Perry Middle School.
Yeah, we're in the 2008 edition. This is the furthest area along for this project. As you can see behind us and all around us, we've got all of our walls framed. We've completed all of our drywall. We've completed the tape and bedding process. We have all of our overhead work in place. We're starting the installation of our door frames. We're going to be working on the overhead ceiling grid, doing our storefronts, and continuing to finish this process in this area.
So right now you're seeing our 6th grade village really coming to shape here, walls going up. You can see it's definitely planned for collaboration. There's a lot of classroom spaces here, but we also have think room spaces and impact spaces, different areas for students to gather together and learn in different ways.
We're in the existing 1965 portion of Perry Middle School. What you can see behind us and see all around us is shoring holding up the existing structure. So as we work in these old spaces, we're trying to open them up, create 21st century learning environments, collaborative areas. So all this temporary shoring is holding up our existing structure while we put in the new structural steel requirements to open these spaces up. So this is a very exciting time of the project, seeing all this temporary shoring up in place. And we're excited to see all these new open spaces as we continue through the construction process.
Here with me now I have Coy Ryan with Core Construction, and he's our superintendent on this job, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about this building cut that we just completed.
This is the main cut through that we did on the main building part, and it ran between the 1935 area and the 1970 built area, and we completely cut out from the ground all the way through the roof. The whole building is separated, and we're building back the new clear story area that's going in this area. This is where we're standing, is actually where the library is going to be, and to my right over here is where a new courtyard is going to be right here off the library, so that we have a nice beautiful courtyard and canopy area in this area with artificial turf and things like that.
We're going to wrap up here today in our 8th grade village. As you can see, demo work is pretty much complete, but we still have a lot of build back, a lot of work to do. So to follow us on CFBISD.com, and you can follow us with construction updates. We'd like to thank our community, our BOC members, and our Board of Trustees for supporting us in these ongoing endeavors.